Hey there, thinking about getting into Forex trading? Let me break down everything you need to know to start your trading journey the right way. First off, let's understand what Forex trading actually is. It's pretty straightforward. You're basically trading one currency for another, hoping to profit from changes in their exchange rates. Think of it like this. If you've ever exchanged money before traveling abroad, you've already participated in the Forex market. The only difference is that traders do this strategically to make money from these price movements. Now, here's the most important advice I can give any beginner. Start with a demo account. It's like a flight simulator for traders. You get to practice with virtual money in real market conditions. No risk, just pure learning. Many successful traders spent months on demo accounts before risking real money. Trust me, this patience pays off big time. Once you're comfortable with demo trading, start small. I'm talking really small, maybe just a few $100s. You might see flashy Instagram posts about traders making millions, but that's not how successful trading careers begin. It's like learning to swim. You don't start in the deep end, right? Here's something crucial that many beginners overlook. You need to understand both technical and fundamental analysis. Technical analysis is like reading the market's history through charts and patterns, while fundamental analysis looks at economic news and events that affect currency values. It's like being a detective. You need to gather all the clues before making your move. But here's the real secret to lasting in Forex trading: risk management. It's not just about making money. It's about protecting what you have. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your account on a single trade. Think of it like this. Even professional baseball players don't swing for a home run every time. Sometimes a single is the smart play. Remember, Forex trading isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a skill that requires patience, discipline, and continuous learning. Start small, stay informed, manage your risks, and most importantly, give yourself time to grow into a confident trader. The market will always be there. There's no rush to become a trading expert overnight. Keep these principles in mind, and you'll be on your way to developing a solid foundation in Forex trading. Happy trading!